The future matters, children, for all of us, and for you sitting here today. What will keep tomorrow safe, bright, and full of life? It begins with learning. A school, a classroom, young minds eager to discover, seeds of the future planted in curiosity. But those seeds need more than books. They need an environment to grow. The world needs trees. They give us air, shade, and the promise of life. A single sapling may be small, but together they shape entire landscapes. What children draw on the blackboard today can become the blueprint of tomorrow, but only if the world outside helps it take shape, by nurturing energy, education, and the environment. We at GPCL are looking out for our collective future.
In Rajkot, India,
those foundations take the shape of a new school building, a safe place for nearly 200 young learners to grow, discover, and believe in themselves. That same spirit of care also reaches those in need of healing through our contribution to a cancer hospital.
In Rajkot, India,
500 people trees now stand tall, planted to restore balance. And in our own factory, the sun now powers nearly half of our operations through a 1.2 megawatt solar plant, conserving energy, protecting the planet. Each of these steps is part of one responsibility: to give the next generation a brighter tomorrow.